Hello there. This Venus flytrap is one of nature's only meat-eating plants. Let's see what she thinks of a few snacks, shall we? Not smitten with the beef flavor. Make the flavor once. Peperami. Succulent cheese, 100% real meat. Well, he clearly prefers the tangy taste of pepperami. This is only a snack. Hello there. In here are 20 piranha fish. Kind. Let's see what they think of a few snacks, shall we? Beef flavor ones. Enamored of these bacon flavor corn snacks either. Let's see how they like pepperami. The tangy snack tastes 100% pure meat.
I'm sitting in this calculate the cubics.
That confirms it. Meat lovers everywhere prefer pepperami to anything. Well, almost anything. Hello again. You know, this Harrison is one of the world's most avid meat eaters. I wonder what he'll make of a few meat-flavored snacks. Ignore the beef flavor. Turned his beak up at the smoky bacon. Yes, he settled for pepperami, made from 100% tangy meat. So when it comes to real meat taste, birds of prey everywhere agree. Peperami is the snack praying for. Sorry.
Keep it an animal. It's a bit of an animal. Nice TV. Nice TV. Nothing like a good horror film. It's a hello! You know why they call them crisps?
Listen to me, mister. You can't kick me out.
It's a little bit of an animal.
Beep, beep! I'm a woodpecker. Ding dong duck.